Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. So BTArtbox sent me over these soft gel full cover nail tips to review. They have them in Sqaure, ballerina and almond. They are available in peach, natural, which is like a nude, and pink, so 3 colors and 3 shapes. The instructions and their social media websites are on the back of the package. One thing I love about these is that they come with instructions. Every box you open, it has instructions in it, which means it is perfect for beginners and if it's your first time applying gel tip like me. The packaging is very nice. Currently, these are $17 on Amazon. I'm not sure if the price will change when I put this video up, but you can use my code on their website to get 15% off. The link will be down in the description box. So it comes with 150 pieces and they have 15 sizes, so I think it's hard to not find your size in this. They sent me over the pink and natural, and the pink is what I'll be using in today's video. So I'm just showing you the packaging, which I love. These nail tips are pre-shaped, pre-buffed, pre-colored, so what else do you need? I mean, come on, all of that and it's gel for $17. You can't beat that. This is the colors side by side if you were wondering how they looked beside each other. This is their glue gel for the nail tips. I don't know why I thought this was regular glue. I love how it comes protected in this little foam thingy, and again the instructions. So as I said, this kit is very beginner friendly, or if it is your first time using it like me. Feel free to pause the video and look on the instructions if you want to. Another thing I love about this is that they show you what to do and what not to do, and the pictures just makes it so much easier to understand. So in the background there you can see the colors side by side, and I'm just showing you the consistency of the glue. It's not that thick and it's not runny. It's not the type of glue to keep the nail in place so that you can put it under the lamp. You have to hold it, and I think the reason for that is because it is a 5-in-1 or 4-in-1 glue gel. It can be used as base coat and all of that. It says it on the packaging. So I'm showing you how they look on my hands right here and the different sizes they have. Right here I was just checking to see how durable these tips are, and it took me a really long time to bend, and when it did, it didn't leave any white mark, so you know it is gel and not plastic. So far everything is good. Let's see how it performs on my nail. First we're going to start with perp, and I'm just going to put on some cuticle remover. Then I'm going to use my cuticle pusher and just, you know, scrape all of that off after 30 seconds. So as you can see, it cleans it very well. Then I'm going to just wipe all of that off. You can also wash your hands after. Well, you should wash your hands after that. I went ahead and cut my cuticle. As you can see, I'm going extremely slow. This is sped up over 8, I think it's 8 times. Then I'm going to go ahead and buff my nails for the application. Dust them off and wipe them off with some alcohol to clean and dehydrate. This is how they're looking, very clean. Now I'm applying the base coat or the glue gel that came in the kit on all of my 5 fingers. Here I'm showing you the thickness of the nails. These are not thin, so they will last. So as I said, it's my first time using gel, any sort of gel X type of thing, right? I think for my first time I did pretty good. I did spill some of this on the other finger, but I managed to clean it up. So yeah, I think I did great. And it's always when you're on the last one that you find a solution. I don't know why. Even when I'm applying acrylic, it's always when I'm at the last finger or on the last hand that I'm finding another easier way to do it. After this, you're going to see me apply the glue differently, and that way works better because you don't have, spillage, and it's the right amount of glue for the nail. So right here I had a little bit of spillage that I cleaned up before putting in the lamp, and this is what I meant by the gel is not thick enough to hold the nail. So normally when you let go of the nail like that, it should stick down, well, from what I've seen in videos, but it didn't. So you have to hold it down and put it under the lamp. So this is the easier way, well, the most convenient way of applying the gel that I've found. Paint it on to the length where you think your natural nail is, and then yeah, that's it. Put enough, not a little bit. I was filing off the excess, then I remembered that the top is shiny, so I could just use something and scrape it off. Then I'm going to go ahead and try to file off the tab, and it wasn't even all that visible, guys, but I'm a perfectionist. Well, at least I'm trying to be, so I went ahead and filed. If you're wondering why I put my fingers like that, it's because that's the way I can get my nails straight. Then I'm going to go ahead with a fine sanding band on the lowest setting on my drill and blend in the tips and kind of remove any other gel that is around the nails. So as you can see, there's some gel at the cuticle that I couldn't get off with my cuticle pusher because I was afraid of hurting myself. So I just used the drill for that. Then I'm going to buff these nails. Oh my god, look at the shape. I'm going to go ahead and take the shine off all of the nails so that when I apply my gel polish, it will stick. Am I the only one that loves to see nails after they are buffed? Like, even these, they just look like they're acrylic after they're buffed. So it was really, look at that. Oh my god, it was really pretty. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and clean that off, clean off your dust and everything with an alcohol wipe, or alcohol and something. Then I'm going to use my black gel polish from my local beauty supply store to create the fringe. So I decided to do deep French tips because I'm always doing like the narrow almond shape kind of one, and I wanted to switch things up. So I challenged myself to do these deep French tips, and I love how they came out. I am so proud of myself. If you're having troubles trying to do French tip, I would recommend cutting some of the bristles out of your brush to make it thinner. That's what I did to this brush, and I can get more precise because of that. At one point I wanted to leave this design as is. You're going to see that later on. Some alcohol and on a nail art brush from Amazon, and I'm cleaning up any So as you can see, I put a line in the middle to indicate where the center is because my French tips are always lean, and then I just try to create a little U from that and fill it in after I get the line. I focus on creating the smile line, then I fill it in. And I fill it in using the same brush that I used to draw it so that I don't have to do 2 coats. So I only did 1 coat of this. I'm adding on my top coat from my local beauty supply. The design I had in mind was to create the heart spider web and then sugar it with black glitter. Oh my god, I regret that decision because this turned out okay. This turned out really nice. The heart spider web turned out really nice, but when I went ahead and sugar it, I don't know what happened. Like you'd see, it was just but as you can see right here, oh my god, look at that. This was so perfect. Right now I'm mad at myself for adding the glitter on. So what I did was I took off all of the glitter that I could. You know, I wiped it off, dust it off with a brush. So I'm not going to show that part, but I went ahead and traced over the web, and this is how it turned out. Please let me know what you think down in the comments, and if you want to purchase this kit, remember that I have a discount code you can use. You can also check down in the comments. Bye.
Bye, have a great time.